Guys, I'm not joking, right? Has anyone tried that new Dubai chocolate? Has anybody tried it? I tried it, guys. I actually did find one. I should have done it. And I should have done it, but I did it. I found one for $3.99. Has anyone tried it? The new Dubai chocolate? I'm not kidding you, it was absolutely fucking disgusting. I'm not kidding, I've never tasted something so disgusting in all my life than that Dubai chocolate. I'm sorry, I'm doing bad promotion here right now, so they better not ask me to ever fund them because I will never do it. Right. No, but yeah, right, so you thought it was okay, but I thought it was disgusting, right? Did it taste like peanut butter and chocolate? Because that's what it all tastes like.
Get ready. Thank you. Thank you so much.
What?
Go back. Why are you like doing that? Yeah.
He just walked right up and touched that horse's face and got shouted at. Oh, that is so got to go online.
That was lovely. Yeah, imagine that horsey would just like that in his face. Come here, you snot bag. That was gross. You just sneezed in Mummy's face. Look, there's another horsey up there. Let's go see the other horsey. Come on, let's go and say hello to the other one then.
Yeah, these in her mum's face. I've got to put that online.
Aquí así, así como no, acá ven. De frente, así como estoy.
Oh no, is it run out again? Oh.